Welcome back to Auto Garage, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that takes everything we love about SUVs and pushes it into the future. Toyota has once again redefined what it means to drive a compact SUV with a perfect balance of performance, style, and technology. From the first glance, the 2026 RAV4 commands attention. The bold front grille features a striking red accent line that runs across the grille, instantly giving it a sporty and aggressive look. Its LED headlights are sleek and sharp, creating a commanding presence on the road, even at night. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines are designed to reduce drag while giving it a futuristic, muscular stance. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading out for a weekend adventure, this RAV4 ensures you do it in style. The exterior color options have evolved as well, with metallic silver and glossy black finishes that give the SUV a reflective, premium look. The sporty black rims with red brake calipers enhance the vehicle's performance-focused aesthetics. Every angle, from the side to the rear, showcases Toyota's attention to detail in combining form and function. Aerodynamic bumpers and sharp contours not only make the vehicle look modern, but also improve fuel efficiency and stability on the road. Step inside, and the 2026 RAV4 continues to impress. The interior is designed with a focus on comfort and connectivity. Premium materials and soft-touch surfaces create a refined cabin environment. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing excellent support for both long drives and daily commutes. Advanced infotainment systems are seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, featuring a large touchscreen with intuitive controls, voice commands, and smartphone connectivity. You'll also find a fully digital instrument cluster that provides clear, customizable information about speed, fuel efficiency, navigation, and more. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 offers impressive performance. Toyota's latest hybrid and conventional powertrains deliver a smooth yet responsive driving experience. The hybrid variant is particularly exciting, offering a combination of power and fuel efficiency that makes city driving and long road trips equally enjoyable. Handling has been refined to offer precise steering and stability even on challenging terrain. Coupled with advanced suspension and braking systems, this SUV provides a confident and controlled drive in all conditions. Safety is a core priority for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 comes packed with features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking, the vehicle ensures maximum safety without compromising on comfort or convenience. Advanced sensors and cameras provide 360-degree awareness, giving you peace of mind whether you're navigating tight city streets or open highways. Technology also plays a starring role in the RAV4's appeal. With smart connectivity features, you can control climate settings, navigation, and entertainment from your smartphone. AI-assisted driving features help make traffic jams and long commutes less stressful, while multiple driver assist systems ensure that every trip is smooth and safe. In conclusion, the 2026 RAV4 is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of what modern driving can be: powerful, stylish, efficient, and safe. With a futuristic design, advanced technology, and practical versatility, it's a vehicle that meets the needs of today while preparing for the demands of tomorrow. Whether you're an urban explorer, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates well-engineered vehicles, the 2026 RAV4 is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 RAV4 and which feature excites you the most. See you in the next video.